everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today me and the kids, Saoirse and Logan, we are opening up these Baby Three Merry Christmas Edition Baby Threes. I have no idea what Baby Three is. I think it's something similar to a Labubu. If any of you know, drop it in the comments. I have no idea. So we got these in Longacres and they were reduced. So if you're looking for Christmas stuff, take a trip down to Longacres or Buy Book Barn or whatever they want to call it, because they're doing really good discounts on all nice Christmas things. So I know this is after Christmas, but sure, look, they're at a good price and they're very cute, because we bought one yesterday just to have a look at it and it was lovely. Okay, so Saoirse's going to go first with hers. Saoirse, that's that your one? Bring it over here, Pat. Over here so we can see it. Okay. Okay, let's see the bag. Oh, what's in here? Hold on.
Oh, a card. I could arrange it that one I wanted.
Let me see. Oh. This is Cocoa Elf. That's what he's supposed to look like. How cute is that? Oh, that's really cute. Hold on, I'll have it. Okay, there you go. Open them up. Oh, he's so cute. I love the way these ones, their eyes move, so you can... Oh, he doesn't have a tail. Oh, he has feet. Hold on. This one has feet. So if you look, their eyes move, so you can move their eyes. Oh, this one, his eyes don't move that easy.
Wait, what? These ones are a bit stiff.
Oh, no, you got it. They are very cute. You gonna show? I like this little nose. That's so cute. So he's like a little baby three wearing a little tartan dress and a little reindeer top, and it's got a little Santa hat. So cute. Right, Logan, do you want to come over and do yours? So Logan one day wants to have a YouTube channel, so we're going to start today. So this is what his box looks like, and he's already opened his in the car. So yeah, take it out. Go on. Take it out.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, he looks angry. Show the camera.
His eyes doesn't
move. So this
move.
is Red Crown Envoy.
His eyes doesn't move.
That's what he looks like.
His eyes doesn't move.
Okay, let me see. Oh, he's an angry looking elf. That's this
Santa.
one. That's this one. This is Red. What did I say his name was again? Red Crown something.
Red Crown
Envoy. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 to collect in total. And we have 4 so far. Do you want to go into the conservatory there and get the other one?
What?
Go into the conservatory there and get the other one. The probability of getting a regular model is 1 out of 8, but the probability of getting a secret model is 1 out of 96. So you could buy these for a very long time if you're trying to get the secret ones. So we just got over beside the Christmas decorations. Yeah. So this is what they call the All Series. They are very cute. They're all the options there you can get. And so far we have gotten this one. And Saoirse, which one was yours again? Oh, the little one with the reindeer, which is this one up here. And then we're going to show you this other one which we got yesterday, which I think is this one here. Is it this one?
It's the second rest. It's
that one. We got this one here yesterday because we just picked them up because I was like, I don't really know what these are. No, it's not the rare one. This was the one we got yesterday. I just thought she was so cute. Look at the little bow on her back. No feet on this one, but she does come with a little tail. Little tail. So that's these Baby Threes. So we have one more Baby Three to open up, which is my Baby Three.
I hope you get the rare one.
Sure, look. So do I. I hope I get the rare one too. I'd be curious now to see what it is. I'd laugh if it was something the same as yours.
Hey, look, dim it.
Okay.
Here's your one. This is mine.
Okay. So do we look and see? Oh, when was this?
Panda.
Ginger Guard. So the one I got was Ginger Guard.
That's the one you wanted to do. Let's see.
Let's
see if it's cute.
That
the Santa
is
hat comes off.
Okay, don't take the Santa hat off. Please don't take the Santa hat off, because then that's when stuff will go missing. So this is the Ginger Guard. Oh, they come with a little plastic bit on their face. Just take that off.
The little baby.
Oh, that one is so cute. Oh, and she has a little dummy in her mouth.
Yeah, she's a little baby.
And she's wearing like a little poncho type thing. Oh, these are super cute.
Wait, her eyes move. Wait.
Oh,
wait, how does all of you guys' eyes move?
I think yours might just be a bit stiff.
No.
Oh, that one. Oh, they're a bit.
No,
so,
no, mine doesn't move at all.
And it comes with little tootsie things, a little boot as well. They are so cute. Oh, I'm delighted with them now. So that's our little baby 3 Merry Christmas haul. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for next video. God knows when that'll be because I have no schedule right now. So talk to you soon. Bye. Happy New Year. Bon année.